that the one, or are you going to keep going? Oh, are you sad I don't have a lap for you? That's because I got to get ready for work. Okay. I want to see the first one that you dropped, which was over here. Ooh, King of Pentacles. That's what I thought. And what's this one? High Priestess. Yeah, buddy. Okay. King of Pentacles says security, Jupiter, Taurus, yes. Mature, grounded male, successful, wealthy businessman, bettering yourself, not a risk taker, empire thriving, high status, stability, security, enterprising, somebody preoccupied with financial matters. And the High Priestess. Moon, yes. Mystery, intuition, inner knowing, self-trust, spiritual insight, emotional stability, divination, esoteric wisdom / knowledge, things yet to be revealed, spirit guides, and discovering your truth. That's what we have this morning, Wednesday, Juneteenth.